It does not matter how quickly you're driving. It'll take 1.5 seconds or more for your brain to react to any changes ahead of you. Now, at 40 kilometers an hour, you'll have already traveled at least 17 meters before you even touch your brakes. Now after that, you'll travel an additional 9 to 13 meters to stop your vehicle. Now this adds up to 26 to 30 meters, which is quite a distance when you think about it. Now for every 10 kilometers above 40, you'll add an approximately 10 more meters to your stopping distance. This makes it even more likely you won't be able to stop in time for the emergency, such as for a pedestrian or a cyclist who comes to your path. Now, it's not about who's at fault when lives are at risk. By dropping your speed from 60 to 50, it will take the average driver approximately 10 fewer meters to stop after seeing a pedestrian step off the curb compared to driving at 60K. This is on a dry, clear road with properly maintained tires and brakes. Now, even if a pedestrian or a cyclist was struck at a lower speed, the injuries would still occur, but those injuries could be less severe. Now, what injuries are we talking about? There could be internal injuries as bleeding, brain bleeds, rib fractures, a punctured lung, or damage to organs. Many of these injuries could become life-threatening, especially at higher speeds. Now, the impact of a vehicle hitting a pedestrian or a cyclist can result in multiple bone fractures near the part of the body which was hit first by the vehicle. Now, if that's not enough, blood vessels throughout the body and in the brain may burst very quickly from the force of the impact. Plus, soft tissues can suffer painful tears immediately. You now have a choice to be the best driver you can be. Slow down. Lives depend on it.